What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Clean. Getting ready for first and only job for today. It's a tile job. The tile and grout is really bad in this home. So I'm mixing up carpet details. I put an extra 2 scoops. It asked for 2 scoops per gallon. So it's 2-gallon pump sprayer. So instead of 4 scoops, I put 7 scoops in there just to make sure. Okay, this stuff works awesome on tile and grout, by the way. It's safe. It's 8.1 pH. I've tried other things, but always came back to this. And what I'm going to be using today, I'm really excited about, is a super sealer by Saiger. You know, this stuff right here is really ideal because instead of going through each line of the grout, you know, when you're doing anything but natural stone, you have to go through every line. All right, it's going to take forever, and I'm used to using the rollers. Like, let's see what I got here, which I'll be throwing away really happily. So I usually use something like this, go along each line of the grout. Well, with this stuff, you can lay it on the whole tile itself. Ceramic, whatever, okay, porcelain. You just spray it on like you would your pre-spray with a pump-up sprayer. And then you just spread out with a microfiber mop, flathead. And that's what I'm going to do today. And this, I just ordered this. It came in right on time for this job. This job's about 1,000 square foot, I think, a tile. And we're going to definitely put that seal on it for them. And we're going to spread it with this. Okay, so if you guys are wondering how to seal tile and grout, if you want to know the best way of doing it, we're going to use that flat mop up there. The best way of doing it, I can guarantee you, you're not going to find a better method than this. Right here, this is going to take an hour job into about 15 minutes. Okay? This method right here is you got to get on your knees, you know, you got to have knee pads, and I got those. And I got the rollers too. I tried these things out. You know, they seem right, but they kind of don't know. And knee pads. They're not. I gotta get better at them, but I'm not gonna have to use them anymore. Super sealer, we're gonna check it out today. Stay tuned. Alrighty. Really slow, but I think we're gonna get some really good before and afters. You can see some areas a little darker. The kitchen, of course, is always the worst. But yes, lots of tile. The living room right here, there was throw rugs, not that bad, but it's still going to come a lot cleaner. Entryway. Here. Some more light. Yeah, so I'm really excited to see the difference here. Bathroom. And Brenda's doing the pre-scrubbing and everything in here. coming up really, really great. We already knocked out the 2 bathrooms. And we're hitting large areas with multi-wash. And before that, we used the hand scrubber for the small bathrooms. Multi-wash, and then we go around and do the detail work. Make sure the sides are really scrubbed and don't get black marks around that exterior. So yeah, I already did all that, so we're gonna strap. Alright guys, all finished up with the cleaning. Looks amazing. You know, the grout is still a little dark just because it's still wet. We've been running the fans on it and everything. We dried this area as much as we're going to do before we seal it. We have the fans going on in here, but I don't know if you remember the befores. It's amazing difference. Customers are ecstatic. Let's see. All the way back in here. Still a little wet right there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that a little drier. But yeah, it looks great. Hey, we're in the bathroom there. Really wet. You can see where it was dark. So right now we're just going through the majority of that up, and we're gonna go ahead and get the fan on here for a bit, and then we're gonna put down the seal. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so customers were very happy. I was very happy because the tile came out great, amazing. And as far as the super sealer by Saiger, thumbs up, 10, love it. It took me about 20 minutes to seal the whole floor. Rolling them grout lines, but it took me an hour at least, hour and 15 minutes probably. So love it. Takes about a half hour or so for it to dry. They got the air conditioning on and fans going, so yeah, they're good to go. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you like it, thumbs up it, throw a comment in there, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.